Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make stewed chicken Jamaican style. First, clean and cut about 2 pounds of chicken into medium-sized pieces. Then, generously season it with a vibrant mix of Jamaican spices like pimento, thyme, and Scotch bonnet pepper. For the best flavor, let it marinate for at least 30 minutes, or even better, overnight in the refrigerator. This step is crucial for a truly authentic taste. Once your chicken is beautifully marinated, it's time to brown it. Heat about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a large, heavy-bottomed pot over medium-high heat. Carefully place the chicken pieces in the hot oil, ensuring not to overcrowd the pot. Brown them on all sides until they develop a lovely golden brown crust. This browning process locks in the juices and builds a foundational layer of flavor for your stew. Now let's build that delicious stew. After browning the chicken, remove it and sauté your aromatics like chopped onions, garlic, and bell peppers. Stir in about 1 cup of chopped tomatoes, carrots, and potatoes. Return the chicken to the pot. Add about 1 cup of chicken broth and a tablespoon of browning sauce for color. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for about 45 minutes until the chicken is tender. To finish, stir in a few sprigs of fresh thyme and a whole Scotch bonnet pepper for that authentic Jamaican kick. Be careful not to burst it. Adjust seasoning with a pinch of salt and a dash of black pepper as needed. Let it simmer for another 5 to 10 minutes, allowing all the flavors to meld beautifully. Serve your rich, flavorful Jamaican stewed chicken hot with a side of rice and peas or your favorite boiled provisions. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.